Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. If you ever use Python, you can actually allow it to pull data directly without ever using a traditional data source like a database or Excel. To do this, you go Python data generation, and if you configure that generator, you can see that you can put a Python script in here. So if I paste this in, I've created, in this case, a data frame and populated some simple data, and then I'm simply returning it using this script. So let's say OK. And if I hit preview, you can see that we're getting that data coming back from Python. So this allows you to unlock a world of possibility because you could process anything you want and then simply return it to Dundas BI and use that data as is. You could pull web data, you could push data into Python and use it. This is absolutely incredibly powerful. Now, one thing I wanted to show you is that there are different different return types that Python supports. So I created a quick sample so that you can see. You can use a list, set, series, data frame, dictionary, tuple. Use a NumPy array if you want to. So this sample is kind of nice because you can go through very quickly, get an idea of what that code looks like, and how it's going to output live in Dundas BI. I'll put a link to this dashboard here so you can play with it. But just know that there are different things that you can return out of Python, and there's probably a few here that I haven't even listed. Reason being is we use an abstract class for the collection object, and there's a few others that it supports that are a little bit unique. So I'm not going to touch those right now, but these basic ones are all here to use and extremely useful. Hope this helps.